Hi guys, it's Debbie and I'm going to do a poured painting. Hey, do you guys ever buy these? They're 10 pieces. Well, it's probably backwards. I'm not sure. But anyways, they have them on sale this week. This is July 16th. I was up at Michael's and this is the cheapest I've ever seen these. You get, well, depending on the size that you get, this one is 8 by 10s. There's 10 pieces in here for $9.99. So I've always paid, the cheapest I paid for these was $12.99. And they're $9.99. So that's a pretty good deal right now. Oops, sorry about shaking you. Anyways, it's July 16th. So if you're watching this in a month, it might not be at this price. So anyways, I'm going to cut these open and we're going to do a poured painting. Yay! I'm going to use a little bit of a different recipe. I'm kind of practicing with something different. Sorry about that shaking. So we'll see how that goes. So anyways, I'm going to bring you down. Alright guys. I don't know where this video cut off at. I'm so sorry. But in my cup, I have put in, just so you know, if I'm going to start over and explain it all again. I have black, a little bit of black on top. I have some white. Wait a minute. First I start off with some white, brown, red, and, well, it's not really red. It's a brownish red. This is red. Okay? And I just put a little bit of blue in at the it's going to be at the bottom of the cup. Now, so my video quit working in the middle and I'm so sorry. I'll see, I don't know where it quit at because I'm busy looking at what I'm looking at. Sucks. Okay, let's get you more in the middle again. Okay, so just to recap what's in the cup, it's 1 part paint, 1 part golden pouring medium, 2 parts Elmer glue, and the rest is water to make it to the consistency that's good for pouring each paint. So it's hard to tell, like that one is empty now. If I have some, well, you guys probably kind of know, as I always used to say, get it to almost Milk of Magnesia state. But, oh, my fork fell down in there. All right, so now I am going to I always like all these extra designs that Swiggling Around does. And you know what I might do is put some of this leftover white on the edges here. Oh, and a few drops, I forgot to mention, there's a few drops of silicone in each one of these cups of color. Some only have 2 if it only had a small amount of color in there. Some have 4. Okay. So now, gosh, keep my fingers crossed. I don't see hardly any cells popping up. I did look better with. I'm going to give it a quick torque. Oh, look at that swirly line right there. Is that not cool? Wish we could get a couple more of those. Let me see. I don't know how that happened. You see that? It's like a candy cane stripe, only black and red. Let me show you before I ruin it. Okay. See it in there? This one's not pulling out any big cells. Maybe as I'm moving it, we're going to get some, but it's not looking too hopeful. I'm going to put a little bit of this paint right in here. So it was looking very boring there. All right, so I don't like this at all. So I'm going to give it a swipe and try something else. Or, I was just about to do that, and I just had another thought. Mixing another pour cup with adding some pretty blue and white. Let's see here. Why does this happen sometimes? I'm going to add a few more drops of silicone to this just to make sure we have some. Oh, you know what? I should have done a spray one. Sprayed it in instead of... Oh, it kind of like plopped down there. Okay, you guys, say a prayer for me, because at this rate, I'm not very happy with any of this. All right, let's I don't know what to do. Pray. Let's just give it a prayer. Now I do see some cells coming up, but they're all little ones. Little babies. Well, this will turn out better than I was about to trash it. I need to add a little paint to that corner there. Try to decide, what do you think? Not too bad, really. Much better than I expected at first. God. I thought, ugh. Anyways, guys, as I drip some paint on myself, I think I'm going to call it quits. Now, remember, if you've watched a couple of the previous videos before this, if there's something you really don't like, you can take a tool like this, and I have a smaller one somewhere, but while I'm videoing, it has decided to disappear. So I'm going to show you Even my plate I was using, everything has disappeared, I guess. Ah! We'll do a different one. You could take a plate like this, or anything you want. Take your silicone. I had one all made up. There it is on the floor, all flipped over. Holy smokes, guys! This must be a sign to quit videoing anyways. Let's try this side. Okay, put the little silicone on there. And I don't really want to, don't know where I want to hit it at. Actually, I'll just, I almost like this. I think it's pretty cool. I don't know where I'd want to hit this at, but just to show you. Oops, I pushed a little hard on that one. You can push hard, but the silicone should make it's kind of not doing it on this. I don't know if it's why. I've had it work before. But anyways, you can give it a shot and put it on the thing. If you look at some of the previous videos, I did do that. Alright guys, this is it. I'm done. In fact, I'm done for the night. I'll show you up close. Try to move it slower. I like this part right here. The little white thing coming in there. In fact, before we end this, maybe we can drag it down just a little bit. That might be enough right there. So, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you learned something. If not, you might be learning from my mistakes. If you didn't learn anything too. That might be enough right there. So, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you learned something. If not, you might be learning from my mistakes. If you didn't learn anything too good, you might learn what not to do. All right, guys. Bye.